Hi there everyone, welcome to Engineering Pritam and in this PTC Creo Parametric series. In this video, we will talk about boundary blend and how we can utilize it. So here you can see boundary blend is a basic surfacing tool that help us to blend the boundary of two surfaces. So let's see how we can perform that. So here you can see there is a quilt that we formed using variable pull draft, and then there is a solid, and let's say we would like to add them or we would like to create boundary blend here. For that, let's click here on boundary blend, and now here you can see there are two options to define the surface, first direction and second direction. So let me choose here first direction, and then I can define the second direction. And actually before I define the second direction, what I need to do is I need to create a curve here. So I'm gonna do curve through point, and I'm gonna select these 2 points. Now let's click OK. Now let me again go to boundary blend and let me select these 2 curves, and then in second direction this is another curve. So in this way guys, we can perform boundary blend, but sometimes we also need to define the kind of blend that you would like to do. But sometimes we also would like to change the connection, or I would say the way we would like to connect these two different entities. For that, let's click here on edit definition and then go here in constraint, and here instead of free I can make it tangent. Similarly tangent, and actually I can remove this one as it was creating some kind of trouble, because if we see here both condition cannot be true. That's why we have removed this curve which was in direction 2. Now we can see the joint here is tangent, and then if we would like to improve the curvature or further improve the smoothness of the curve, then we can also go with curvature. Similarly for this part as well, we can go with curvature. So based on our need, we can actually modify it. And then here we can also define the stretch value for curvature, which is really nice. So in bottom case, I guess we can go with 2 or 3 value. So in this way we can further control and refine our boundary blend. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete PTC Creo Parametric series, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.